Smoked pulled ham. I saw this on Instagram a while ago and I've always wanted to do it. We got Friendsgiving tonight, so I'm gonna make one. Right here we got a regular, already cooked smoked ham from Walmart. We're gonna double cook it pretty much, so it shouldn't take too long. But I watched him, he said make some slits. Also, you want this to not be a spiralized ham, it says. I don't even really know why we're putting like, slits in it. I guess it just makes it look cooler. Put some more slits. Cool. Maybe it's for the flavor to get into it, I don't know. But that's what we're doing. Next up, we're gonna put a little yellow mustard on it. We're gonna massage, lotion up this mustard onto this ham. No gloves, I ran out of gloves, okay? It's no big deal. I guess the mustard is an emulsifier, I don't know. And like I said, this is already cooked fully and smoked, so we're double smoking and cooking and making it fall apart. We want it to fall apart. It has to hit a certain temperature. So the rub, we're doing it simple. This is Grill Mates, sweet and smoky, and then I'm gonna use some Cajun seasoning. Add an extra layer of flavor. So we're just gonna coat the whole thing. A sweet and smoky one on wings, probably the best in the game. Put a little Cajun seasoning on it just to get it nice and spicy. Side of it. Already got ham falling off. Needs more. And then after this is already done and cooked and it's shredded, I'm gonna pour a little bit more of this on it when it's already cooked. All right, out onto the smoker with this. Hickory smoke. All right, we're throwing it on the pit, boss. Ugh. I put little stakes in there because the ham was falling off because I cut it stupid, kind of like that one. But we're gonna leave that in there. We got it set to 300. We got hickory pellets in. We're ready to go. I have no idea how long this is gonna take, but I'll let you know when it's done, the amount of time it took. So I'll see you then. All right, that's 3 hours in. 3 hours in so far, and it's looking good. Wardrobe change, it's been 4 hours. This is what it looks like halfway done. I would say 2/3 of the way done. It's nice and crisp. It's done-ish. Now we're gonna braise it. So I put it in a foil pan. I got some apple cider in this very nice, convenient plastic container for some reason. So I'm gonna add some liquid to the bottom of this. Maybe pour it on it too, why not? Get a little sugars in there. And I feel like apple cider goes good with ham. And then I got a little Miller Lite. Just a little light beer to put in there because I feel like ham's supposed to have it. Oh, that's real mediocre. Pour this in here too. I may as well throw the rest of it in there because why not? I'm gonna pour a little bit more of our seasoning in there. A little bit of that on there. Solid. Gonna put a little tin foil on it. Make a little tent. Like this. So it traps the heat inside and cooks in the liquid that we just put in it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and throw this back on the smoker, 300 degrees for probably like another hour and see if it starts to break apart. All right, look at it. We shredded it up. Come on, look at this. This is the smoked ham. Doesn't it look great? It also smells great. I gotta be honest with you. This is actually the second time I made it because I forgot to record the first time. We were just having too much fun. It was too good and then it was gone. So now this is actually Thanksgiving and I made it again and it came out great. If you couldn't tell, shreds up. It's so good. I can't lie and pretend like I haven't eaten it. I've been eating it this whole time, you guys. Look at this, look at this. It's sweet, it's spicy, it's hammy, it's got the smoke flavor. It's the best. Everybody at the party said it was the best ham they've ever had in their entire life. And I agree. Make that, and you'll never make ham any other way ever in your life, probably. But anyway, thank you for watching this cool little video. I appreciate you. Like, share, subscribe, do all those things, and make this ham. It's the best. And then just what you would want to see.
Wait, my bun, wait.
All right, we're out here. Shredding the ham.
You got them good knees.
Look at that.
Not the good knees. No,
The ham came out nice.
Why am I so
That's what I'm talking about. We're getting it all in this, these juices that they've been braising in. Letting it soak it up. That's right. There we go. I think that's good, to be honest with you.
Probably did a terrible job.
No, you did fine. You're good.
How do you stop?